Alam mo, isip mo yung sarili mo, dapat kung wala siyang ginawang masama sa'yo, bakit sa tumakbo?
You know, IP, let him, if he down or he don't want to explain her in social media, Tommy don't love me anymore. Tommy don't care me anymore. Tommy don't want me anymore. And I accept and understand that, you know. But, you know, honestly,
Kaagan man siya.
honestly, he don't want to argue me because maybe he don't want to fight. He don't want to fight.
No, Mr. Tommy, Angie don't want to fight for you, okay? You want to explain your side, and you want to say, okay, let's see Michelle. Michelle is, you cannot leave because Michelle is caring for your mom. Simngani is top is family. Okay, accept.
Oh no, that is Michelle, that is lie. That Michelle, that he said that is part of
Family.
that
This
is
explanation.
that is part of his family, Michelle.
Yeah.
No, that is not. That is lie. That is lie, Michelle. Okay. Michelle is a teacher in Philippines.
Okay.
Okay? I know what is the Facebook of Michelle, and I can screenshot every picture of that Michelle if I want. And I can put in social media that teacher Michelle if I want. But I'm not that person. But telling me that Michelle is part of
Family.
her family? No. Michelle is a teacher from Philippines. And we will think she is a teacher, she is a katulpilar. She is a teacher, she is a higad. Why? She is a professional teacher. She know that Tommy and I in relationship, but she flirt, chatting, video call, my Tommy, whatever what she do, she comforting to Tommy. Is that a professional teacher? If you are a teacher, you know you are a professional, then Angie, why you do that?
Oh. But okay, let's see. I already very clear for Mr. Tommy. I asked you dating for Michelle, you dating for Kelly, you dating for Roxanne, you dating for me. You know, social media, guys. I don't want to be sad. I'm reality. Reality. I don't want to be lie. You know? Okay, let's see. Angie is talking for me. Michelle is part in the family.
Lie. Michelle, lie. That is lie. Because Michelle is a teacher here in Philippines.
Because only for my side, I talk already. His mention, Michelle, his contact for his mom is talking. This only and this only I hear for Mr. Tommy. And also I question for Mr. Tommy, I'm your girlfriend. I'm you introduced for the social media. I'm your girlfriend for 3 years.
Let him if he don't want to talk. Oy, bahala siya. I accept and I understand. Tommy don't love me anymore, don't care me anymore, don't want me anymore. I understand that.
No.
VIP.
Trust my words. He's love you. He's look for his face.
No, he don't love me. He don't love me. He don't care me. He don't want me anymore. So what I will doing? I will eat bread and eat Skyflix and drink my coffee for makes me feel better.
Unsa man na libre sa hotel?
Buti pa ang kape. Hanggang sa ating libingan, sinasamahan tayo. Ha? Buti pa ang kape.